This is a big deal. We haven't had a winter storm like this in a long, long time. Many are likening it to the blizzard of '78.
The blizzard '78, people weren't really as aware that they were going to get a blizzard. They drove on that Monday afternoon and got stuck on 128 and 95 and all those roads. This time in where we're living with all the warnings and stuff, everybody knew this was coming. For Rhode Island, this is going to be a very memorable storm. If you're 10 years old and you get 33, 34 inches of snow, you're not going to forget that when you're 40 years old. You'll remember that.